Okay, go do it now. Go over here on the other side. Wait, okay, wait a second, Just wait a little bit. Alright, stop. You're gonna wear it out and he's not gonna think it's fun anymore. Or maybe not. Do it one more time.
One more time.
Yeah, one more.
No more.
One more.
Oh, you're so sorry. What is it, honey? Is it funny?